My slave cylinder is peeing all over the floor. Bad slave cylinder. Rather than to beat the bad slave cylinder, we're going to attempt to repair it. So they have an updated set of seals for the slave cylinder, which is built right into the primary. I don't have that, so we're going to wing it. We'll see if we can come up with some O-rings to fit or something like that. Me? Use the wrong part? Yeah. Let's see if we can get this cover off. And of course, the type of screws are these round cap screws with an Allen socket. And the good thing about these is they're self-stripping. You don't really have to do much. If you have a nice tight bolt, you'll guaranteed to strip it out before it can be removed. Now, fortunately, this one, they're not very tight, so I'm gonna work with you. Come on. Nope. Oh no! Well, that is a showstopper. Trying to get this, somebody over tightened it, trying to get it loose. My screwdriver actually wedged that and bent the slotted part. I don't know how I'm gonna get it off. I'm gonna try straightening it and then putting an impact on it, but I suspect I'm gonna have to buy a new part. Let's see if I can straighten that. Oh, great. Broke clean off. All right, let's see if an impact will help us. I got the outer one off. Woo. What is this? That might be my seal. I don't know. Well, that means now I'm gonna have to pull the primary. And you know, if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna replace that sector that pulls on the clutch that had the broken end. So, time to hit the internet, see if I can find a part. And look what I found in my stash of Excelsior Henderson parts. Ta-da! That's a beautiful sight. It's even got the threaded piece that got broken. Thing is, to get to this fitting, well, primary's got to come off. So, yank the primary and install this new unit.